Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can turn off missed activity emails in Microsoft Teams so your inbox stays clean. So the first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you've already logged into your Microsoft Teams. And once you're here, you will just have to click the three dots icon right here and then just go ahead and click settings. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is go to the notifications area and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to scroll down um until you see email. So should be right here. And what you will have to do is select off for the miss activity emails if it is available for you, or if it's okay, so here it is, the miss activity email. So what you will have to do is turn it off, and you'll it will change, and the changes will be saved automatically. And by the way, you will still get notifications in Teams, and only email alerts are disabled. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.